Master your day like a CEO. Plan smart, execute fast, achieve more. Let me ask you something. Do you ever feel like the day controls you more than you control it? You wake up, reach for your phone, scroll aimlessly, maybe answer a few emails, and before you know it, it's 3 p.m., you're still in pajamas, and your to-do list has more unchecked boxes than a voting ballot. Sound familiar? Welcome to Master Your Day like a CEO. Plan smart, execute fast, achieve more. This isn't just another get your life together pep talk. This is a guide to turning chaotic mornings into productive momentum, sluggish afternoons into peak performance, and restless nights into earned rest. Let's dive in, because your time isn't just valuable, it's everything. Chapter 1. Why most days feel like a mess. Let's start with the pain. Most people aren't lazy. They're overwhelmed. It's not that they don't want to be productive. It's that they're drowning in decision fatigue, digital distractions, and a million tiny obligations disguised as priorities. You think, I'll start this task right after I check Instagram. Oh, look, a dog wearing sunglasses. And just like that, you've fallen into the procrastination portal, where time goes in, but nothing productive comes out. But the truth is, you don't need more time. You need better control over it. And that's what this audiobook is all about. Chapter 2. The Power of Planning the Night Before. Here's a secret CEOs, athletes, and high performers swear by. Planning your day starts the night before. Why? Because your morning brain is a groggy intern who just clocked in. Expecting it to make strategic decisions is like asking a squirrel to do your taxes. Before bed, ask yourself, what are the 3 most important tasks I must complete tomorrow? What obstacles might get in my way, and how will I handle them? What time will I wake up, and what's my morning ritual? Write it down, visualize it, give tomorrow a head start tonight. You're not just planning, you're programming your mind for performance. Chapter 3. Morning Momentum. Win the first hour. The first hour of your day is your launch pad. If you win it, the rest of your day becomes easier to manage. So instead of scrolling or snoozing, try this. Hydrate like you just crawled out of a desert. Move your body, even 10 minutes of stretching or a quick walk. Spend 5 minutes in silence. No phone, no emails. Just breathe. And finally, do the one task you're most likely to procrastinate. That's right, eat the frog. Not literally, unless you're into French cuisine, but knocking out that one big, ugly task early builds confidence, momentum, and energy. Chapter 4. Block your time like a boss. Let's talk about time blocking. Imagine your calendar as a castle. Every block of time is a brick that keeps chaos out and focus in. Here's how to build it. 90-minute sprints. Schedule deep work when you're most alert. No multitasking, no distractions. Just you and the mission. Breaks with purpose. 10 to 15 minutes to walk, stretch, snack, or stare into space like a philosophical goat. Theme your days. Mondays for meetings, Tuesdays for strategy, Wednesdays for creative work. Create flow, not friction. Time blocking isn't rigidity, it's intention. Chapter 5. Execution beats perfection. Perfection is the enemy of done. You can't master your day if you're stuck editing the font size on a spreadsheet no one's going to read. High achievers understand done is better than perfect. Progress over perfection. Movement over mulling. So ask yourself, am I trying to make it perfect, or am I trying to move forward? What's the minimum viable version of this task? Can I delegate this? Remember, you're not here to micromanage your day. You're here to lead it. Chapter 6. Energy, not just time, is your real resource. Time is what we measure. Energy is what we feel. Ever try to work at 3 p.m. and feel like your brain is running on dial-up? That's not a lack of discipline, it's biology. Protect your energy like it's gold. Avoid back-to-back meetings. Even your calendar needs to breathe. Eat for fuel, not just flavor. Yes, donuts are delicious, but they're not power food. Move often. A sedentary body is a sluggish brain. And when your energy dips, don't force it. Reset. You're not a machine. You're a human with rhythms. Chapter 7. End the day like you own it. If mornings set the tone, evenings close the loop. Here's how to end strong. Reflect. What did I accomplish? What did I learn? Reset. Tidy your space. Clear digital clutter. Recharge. Pick an evening ritual that signals work is done. A walk, music, and journaling, not just Netflix autoplay. And yes, review tomorrow's plan again. Master your day like a CEO means building a full loop of clarity, action, and recovery. Chapter 8. When it all falls apart, because it will. Even the best plans get hijacked by life. Emails explode. Kids get sick. Your brain decides to go on strike. The key isn't perfection, it's recovery. Have a fallback plan, a minimum viable day. Something like one task that moves your goals forward, one act of self-care, one moment of reflection. That's it. Even if the rest of your day looks like a tornado hit a planner factory, at least you honored your priorities. Conclusion. Build your days, build your life. Here's the truth. How you live your days is how you live your life. Mastering your day isn't about hustle porn or becoming a productivity robot. It's about intention, about taking back control, about living by design, not default. So next time you feel overwhelmed, remember, plan smart, execute fast, achieve more. Master your day like a CEO. Not tomorrow, not next Monday, today.